Well, as you can see, I'm back out here early in the morning. Got a couple ships anchored right across the river from me. River's low, it's 2'9" at the Carrollton gauge. Time to start fishing the river again. Well, I already got mullet jumping. Wish I had some mullet for bait. All I got today is shrimp. I only got 2 poles out so far. My big alligator buddy's already here. Sometimes when a ship passes, it stirs up the bottom and you pick up some bites. So let's see if we get any bites off the Doric armor as it passes. Got another double tap on this end pole. I think he's on. I think he's on. It's on, but it feels like it's down in the rocks. Something small. Oh, an eel. That's good bait. That's gonna be bait. I hate these fellas, and this is why. See how he's all tangled up in my line? How the heck do they do that? Look at the circles he made. Future trot line bait. Right there, that's what that is. And just got bites on 3 poles at once. All 3 of these. Looks like this one might be on. It is. Hope it's not another eel. It is. Might be one of them days. Might be an eel kind of day. Talk about a mess. Oh, it slimed me all up. Got a good hook up here. I don't think it's an eel, but I don't know. Kind of fighting like a fish. Yeah, coming up to the top. Unless it's a really big eel. What this is. Oh, little blue cat. Pretty nice one, really. It's your lucky day, buddy. I'm not keeping fish today. Here's a real nice one, though. Nice little blue cat. Going back to find another day. Come back and see me when you get bigger. Keep you then. Got something nibbling on this one. But it's not taking it. That's a circle hook. I probably should just leave it. See how it's just tapping? Got a little tension on it. It's on there. It's not very big. Starting to fight. Yeah, little tiny catfish. Little channel cat's got speckles on them. Pointed tail. Got one more bait. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it out just to see. Got a blue, a channel, and 2 eels today. Not very productive, but it still beats sitting at the house. On my last piece of shrimp, something's hit it twice. Hit the crap out of it. This is a circle hook again. I don't know if it's on it or not. It's snagged, that's for sure. Came off. Snagged again. It's funny, this morning when I got here there wasn't any current in the river. Now it's flowing pretty good. Oh well, 2 eels, a blue cat, and a small channel cat. Not a bad trip. Lots of snags though. I've been wanting to go clear me a new spot further upriver. I'm gonna have to just go do it. Everything's just so overgrown right now. Makes it tough. Well, 2 eels, a blue cat, and a channel cat. Not a bad session. I'm out of bait right now. I'll have to buy some more shrimp. So till the next video, get out there and go fishing.